love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn you. Boys only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn you.
What's your name?
Yes.
We're doing everything for
You heard your name on the radio?
My sister did.
She told you to call us?
Yep.
Well, congratulations, you got $1,000.
Thank you.
All right, you heard your name on the radio, you called back in time. I gotta give you the cash. Enjoy the money.
Thank you very much.
It is that easy to win. And Bronson and Christina will announce the next name for another shot at $1,000 tomorrow morning at 9.
Light FM plays today's biggest songs. Taylor Swift, Sky. Madonna goes down. Those are some of today's biggest songs in our hot rotation this week on Light FM.